Hello, guys, and welcome back to Punda Trades. I hope y'all doing great and y'all gonna have a great weekend. Today, I'm gonna show you a small recap of what we did today. 8:30 today, before the market opened, we had the job report that came out. Came out pretty good actually. Came out the payroll rose 315,000. So companies keep hiring. You can see this candle right here. That's the minute when the news came out. That's the candle right here. So came up all the way up here and then back to the support area about 847, 848. That's the 1 minute chart. So yeah, they came out good. We opened the market with a small gap up, but we finished today red, about 1.3%. So that's a little concerning. Even with this good news, the market is kind of choosing its own direction, as you can see. We took a trade. We waited to see the price action. It did bounce once over here. That's pre-market. We did trade. I don't know what we don't see. I think it was on the ES. One trade beforehand. We ended up losing about $200 some on that trade. And then we waited. And then let's show you the recorded one. So we traded one here. The stop loss right here was too small, so we triggered. But the setup was good. The trend was keep going higher of this support here. We got one retest here, a second, and then a third right here, and we have this channel right here. So we waited to see if it's gonna go. I'm gonna get a green candle for the upside. So we waited to see. I'll fast forward a little bit. Okay, that's too much. That is too much. Yep. See, this green candle indicates strong uptrend. So we took the trade up there. We put the stop loss right as support to see what's gonna happen. It's Friday. Usually Friday is pretty tricky. Everybody thought that the market would move higher in the morning, and we opened and just basically from the resistance all the way to this support right here just dropped. So the market plays the way he want to play it. So this is this trade that we took here. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Keep going higher. A little bit more. At this point, I didn't really trust the market because I see how he dropped a lot from the morning. So this is the reason I went long, because you see a bottoming formation in the channel. That's why I went long, but I don't want to stay too long in this trade because it can flip on me pretty quickly if the trend going to continue to the downside, especially on a Friday. But as you can see here, after the 267 loss right here, right now we're about $500. in profit on this trade. So I don't want to risk that on flipping on me. About 600 on this trade. I'm going to raise my stop. Usually it's not the best thing to do. You need to let it play out, have a small pullback, and continue higher. But in this specific market, I don't want to risk any of my profits. So we did end up getting the sell stop triggered. I'm okay with that. Still was about $500 trade with a small risk. So I'm okay with that trade. Yeah, we got stopped out right here. About $500. 122 after that. And that was what I was afraid that's gonna happen. So we took the profit right here, and the market flipped on us. So I'm glad that we took about $500 profit on this trade and didn't just let the stop loss be here and don't take anything. So that was a good call to take that. All right, we waited, flipped on us all the way here, and created pretty strong uptrend in this support area right here. So we took this trade at about 10:20, something around that time. We waited to see another green candle just to make sure it's on the VWAP spot. I'll look at the VWAP on my other charting platform, the ETF version of it, the QQQ. So it was right at the VWAP, and it looked like it's gonna break the VWAP to the upside. So we waited to see. That's why I wanted another, basically green candle confirmation to see. And when it broke the VWAP, we entered. Usually it's a very strong uptrend when it happens. So we took that trade right here, put it under this candle. If it's gonna go down and retest it, we're gonna enter again. You show right here. I keep moving higher. It was a pretty strong uptrend. We also took actually an option. We took a call on the ETF. We made money off that too. So you waited to see if it's gonna go down, retest, or it's just gonna bust all the way up. So it's pretty strong, as you can see. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles. Keep going higher, about $550 right here. Going higher, and now it's probably gonna have a little pullback. It's about $600. Yeah, $750. So I raised the stop. I know, again, I only do that because I can't really trust this market. Usually with this market, the market in the past month and a half been crazy, trying to lower sizing and do things the correct way and take your profits when you can. So that's what I did that. So we ended up taking $652.50 on today right here. So that's the only reason why I did that. You got a small pullback right here and then kept moving higher. So it was a mistake to take that profit right there, but I'm pretty happy with this profit. Kept moving higher. Up, up, up. Yeah, it kept moving all the way up. I didn't record that, but it moved all the way up, and then by 12 o'clock it just reversed and was pretty crazy. See, touches right here, 1043. That's where I took it. But you win another 100 points, unfortunately. But I took the profit right here, reach all the way up here. Have a small reversal, have a big reversal actually, up to about 1271 area. And just played the range right here, and then decided to crack all the way down, and it really cracked this support like nothing, and then play on this support and crack this support, and then just got all the way down to this layer of support. So yeah. It was a pretty crazy day for trading. We finished this day at about 11 o'clock. We shut off the computer. We didn't want to take any more actions in that. So again, we ended up green on today, $652. Not bad, especially for that kind of day. Pretty happy with this profit. We doing the top step combine. We want to give him a shot and see. We on the level 2 Top Step account, and I heard great things about Top Step, so we're gonna give that a shot and get funded and see how it goes. They got a great community, so it's good for traders, especially guys. If you like to trade futures, or you want to trade, and you guys don't have the capital, like at least $25,000 to trade day trading. That's the PDT rule. So options, you can start, guys, with a small amount like I started. You can put 2 or 3. You can start with $400 or $500 and still make money. But I started my futures account with $5,000 here, and I do have an option account that I do trade there too, with a bigger amount of money. But as far as the futures go, you really don't need much money to make money in the futures market. You just need a good strategy. So what works for me is support and resistance. And it's a pretty simple strategy that really work. So your risk reward is 1 to 2 most of the times, depends on the market conditions. So you can make money doing that. That's why I trade that. I love trading the NASDAQ. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you traded well and finish green this week. So I'll see you in the next video. Y'all enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you in the next video.